and welcome. Today's video, I honestly did not even plan on filming, but I was laying in bed last night and I was scrolling through Instagram, stalking all of Boxycharm's spoilers and all of that stuff, and Joe posted an amazing video. I'm going to show you guys a little bit later in the video. These are some sneak peeks for Boxycharm's March Premium Box. So before we jump into it, if you guys are new here, hi, welcome. My name's Rhonda, better known as HOTMESSMOMMAMD, makeup diva, not medical doctor, and here we embrace the hot mess, friends. We run on pretty much nothing but caffeine, whether it's coffee, Bang energy drink, sweet tea that's keto, whatever it is, we running on a lot of caffeine. It's a judgment-free zone over here where we like to chit-chat kindly in the comment section, and remember that at the end of the day, not only is it a judgment-free zone, but it's just makeup. It washes off and it's not that serious. So hopefully this is a channel for you where you decide to stick around, subscribe, turn your notification bell on, because I upload 5 days a week, Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time. I also have a second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs. I'll have that listed and linked down below for y'all as well. I'd love to have you as part of the family over there. And if you guys are curious about my lovely pink sparkly, I just love it so much. I have a video that is coming up next week for you guys. It's the Midas Cosmetics times Smokey Glow collab, and I'm using the new Gerard Cosmetics. This is the concealer eye base. It's just amazing. I'm gonna show you a little tip and trick on how to get really nice, beautiful, smooth under eyes as well. So anyways, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out when I upload that video next week. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into this video. I'm so excited. Okay guys, so a couple days ago I actually uploaded a video giving you guys some sneaky peeky spoilers on some of the items that are going to be in our February base box and our February premium box. And then I did kind of discuss with y'all about the March BoxyLuxe box as well as Boxy pop-up. I have all kinds of things going on. Like I said, I have my notes from the other day, and then I have the video I want to show you guys. But you guys, Joe posted a video on Instagram, and as you guys know, like I said, I stalk all the Boxycharm like sneaky peekies. Now I never know what's going to be in my actual box because all the variations are different, but we always know some of the items that we will definitely be guaranteed. I'm just going to go ahead and pop up this video that I did a screen recording on of Joe telling us some of the items that we can expect for our March premium box for Boxycharm. Roll that footage. Woo! Caffeine strong. Okay guys, so for whatever reason the clip isn't playing, so I have to record my phone.
Okay guys, sneak peek, but this is a special sneak peek. This is not for February. This is actually for March. We're gonna skip a little bit. This is premium in March, but this premium is gonna be different. See, Premium is a new program for us, which we decided to break our own rules with what we've done. Up until now, we've been mixing different brands, different categories. Over here, it's pretty much all color cosmetics. And it's going to be one brand. It's exclusive for one brand. I was asked not to tell you the name of the brand yet. So instead of that, I'll hack the system and I'll just show you the packaging inside. Don't tell them the brand, so they don't blame me for revealing the brand. I didn't say anything, nothing. Now you know the brand. 6 items in the box, okay? $35 value. This is a premium program. This time, the value of this box will be $143. It's all this brand that I just showed you. It's going to include quite a few things. I will reveal. It's going to have an eyeshadow palette. It's going to have cool stuff. Alright, we'll reveal this as time goes by. March Premium. Put it on your calendar. If you're not part of this, go and join now. Tell your friends to hurry up if they're not on the wait list, because it's not going to last. But by then, I believe we'll be able to remove anyone that was on the wait list and couldn't get in. That's it.
Okay guys, are you shook? It was so funny. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. I was laying in bed last night and I was like just scrolling through. The hubs and I, you know, we're doing our own thing, and then I'm like, oh my gosh, and he's like, what? And I'm like, listen. And God love him, he's listening to me show him the whole video of what our March premium box is going to be. And he's like, all right, awesome. I'm like, I know, right? He's like, yeah, honey, I'm so excited for you. I mean, get yourself a man that's gonna listen to you rant and rave about makeup, for sure. I am beside myself excited with the fact that Boxycharm and Fenty Beauty are doing a whole box. All the items in there are going to be Fenty Beauty products. Now here's where I'm really excited, and I feel like I get to play like CSI investigation, you know, because Joe tells us in the video that there's gonna be like I think, what did he say, $143 worth of product in here. So I'm like, okay, well, he also tells us there's gonna be an eyeshadow palette in here, and I'm like, oh, okay. So I need to know what y'all's thoughts are down below on what items you think are going to be in here, because I'll tell you guys right away what my first thought was is those new 6-pan eyeshadow palettes that just released with Fenty Beauty. I'm really excited about them. I did not pick them up, and this again is the beauty of a subscription box, is if you're on a low buy, it's amazing to get subscription boxes, because if you're on a low buy, these boxes give you well over $100 worth of product for $35. I call that an amazing bargain because that whole box, over $100 and some odd worth of Fenty Beauty products. I am hoping for the eyeshadow palette. I think it would be amazing if they put that new mascara in there, because that was something else that I really wanted to try. I kind of low-key feel that we'll also get maybe that eyeliner wing thing. Hold on, I actually have it. I've not tried it yet, but it's the fly liner. I've heard really, really good things about this. This came, I think, a sample in one of my Sephora purchases. So I keep it right here in my drawer. I'm like, I need to try it. But I feel like it would be one of the 6-pan eyeshadow palettes. I would hope the mascara. I've heard really good things about the hydrating primer. I know I'm all over the place. You guys, I'm just so excited about this. Fenty Beauty is expensive, and we're gonna get $140 some worth of Fenty Beauty products for $35. Oh, I'm just so excited. And they're highlighters. So many things. Can you tell, like, I'm still excited over last night's reveal? I can't get it. I'm just, ooh, I have to know. Hopefully you're still with me and you subscribe, because there's gonna be more sneaky peekies and spoiler alerts that I'm gonna be popping up for you guys. This is so exciting. Another thing I did want to touch base with you guys on, and I kind of forgot to talk about the last couple of videos I did about Boxycharm, but if you all share your referral link when you sign up for Boxycharm, guys, when you share that referral link, you earn Boxycharm rewards that you can shop in their store and put those rewards towards free product. You guys know I talk about all the time. I save those referrals, and because I did, before I was on the PR list for Boxycharm, for years, I purchased Boxycharm like right out of pocket, and I love Boxycharm. You guys know that. I loved them prior to even getting onto their PR. So I would save those referral points, and I would buy like the Natasha Dewy Skin Mist. I bought like 3 of them because you can save those reward points up. So when you sign up for Boxycharm, which did you guys hear Joe say, if you are on the wait list, hopefully, more than likely, they will get through that wait list, guys. So get on that list now. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm just really excited about it. They are obviously pushing through to get as many off that wait list. Lisa, I know, girl, I know you're on that wait list. So hopefully by March, you are done with it. You are done with that wait list. And I love that he mentioned that in the video. So anyways, guys, like I said, share that referral link. Get your Charmer reward points and shop in the store. They had actually posted in one of the Instagrams, which I try and like pop up a credit to whatever Instagram page I found this information off of for y'all. But they had posted in here some of the items that are going to be available in your Charmer reward store. Now, I don't know 100% if it's already available now or it's coming up, but you're going to be able to purchase things like, and again, I say purchase, you're literally just paying for, like, I think it's shipping maybe, I don't know. But the Ciate London Confetti Highlighter, we actually just got this and it's really pretty. I can't wait to use this, especially in the summertime. This is such a beautiful highlighter. I can't use it on the tip of my nose, but I can use it through here, and I mix it with my Grace highlighter from Gerard Cosmetics, and it is gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. The Storybook Cosmetics, they're gonna have those available. They have the Too Faced Rich Dazzling Lip Gloss. They have the Fresh Beauty Soy Face Cleanser. Like, all kinds of things are going to be available. The Kopari Coconut Rose Toner. Like, all of this stuff is going to be in your Charmer Reward store, and they're going to be available for you to use to get this stuff for free, guys. Like, you're literally getting this for free. So share your referral link on your Facebook page, your Twitter, wherever you can. Get people to sign up because you will earn amazing products. So it's definitely worth your while. I do have a referral link down below for you guys. It is also an affiliate link, so it does earn me a little bit of a commission. So just letting you guys know about that as well. So definitely worth going ahead and signing up, and if you got to get on the wait list, hopefully by March. It sounds like you guys will be off of it. Just a quick recap also, we did find out, I want to say, oh, let me double check my notes here. Oh, okay, I have one more sneak peek for the February premium box, and that is that we are supposed to be getting a face primer from Tarte. Now, we don't know which one it is. However, I can tell you that a lot of you guys say that there is the Pore Putty one that is amazing. I have also tried one, it was like a hydrating one. I think I used it up. That it came in a sample of like one of my other like Ipsy bag or something like that, and I really liked it for the hydration. You guys know I have more mature skin. I'm using retinol now, and I need a little bit of that extra hydration boost. So I mean, I am just geeking out. I'm so excited. Some of the other spoilers that we do know that are confirmed for our February BoxyCharm Premium Box is going to be the Glow Recipe Face Mist, the watermelon face mist that everybody's geeking out over. And again, I wanted it. I wanted to get that so much, but it was kind of expensive. So we're getting that. Everybody is getting that in our BoxyCharm, as well as an Hourglass blush. Everybody across the board in their premium box for February is going to be getting the Hourglass blush, which you guys know I love Hourglass. I love Hourglass, and we're not picking the shade, so it's going to be a variety, but I'm okay with that because all of them are gorgeous. And don't be afraid if you happen to get a darker shade of the Hourglass blush, guys. I mean, I have some dark ones in here, and they're just like a nice light, like watercolor like blush. You can go really light-handed with it. So anyways, I'm over the top. You guys know that's how I am. I'm gonna keep this video a little bit shorter, but also if you guys are curious about all the rest of the spoilers that I have, I'll try and link the video up here that I did the other day. But I wanted to go ahead and get this video up for you guys because I want to know, are you guys as excited as I am for the Fenty Beauty box? The whole flippin' box is going to be Fenty Beauty. They've never done this before, guys. So let me know down below if you guys are excited. If you're on that wait list, you guys are probably, more than likely, it sounds like you're going to be getting off that list. So definitely make sure, if you're not on that list yet, hurry up, jump on that list. Referral link will be down below for you guys to sign up. And I'm gonna hop off for now so I can get this video edited and uploaded for you guys. I hope you're having an amazing day wherever you are. Like I said, if you guys are interested in seeing my tutorial how I got this look, definitely make sure to subscribe because I will be posting that later next week. So anyways, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Check my description boxes down below for the link to sign up to BoxyCharm. I'll also try and pin it in the comment section. And I'm gonna go drink some water because I am so hopped up on caffeine. I should probably flush it out a little bit. I'm just saying. I'm a little crazy. Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. That is me. Okay, guys. Until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.